Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, it will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we move any further, I want to let you know about the Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds. Here are its features. 1. Totally wireless high-performance earphones. 2. Adjustable, secure fit ear hooks for lightweight comfort and stability. 3. Reinforced design for sweat and water resistance during tough workouts or running. 4. Protect your Beats with AppleCare Plus. Add AppleCare Plus to your order and receive accidental damage protection and 24/7 priority tech support from the people who know your headphones best. 5. Features the Apple H1 headphone chip and Class 1 Bluetooth for extended range and fewer dropouts. 6. Compatible with iOS and Android. 7. Enhanced phone call performance and call handling from either earbud. Powerbeats Pro. Powered by the Apple H1 headphone chip, it will revolutionize the way you work out. The adjustable, secure fit ear hooks are customizable with multiple ear tip options for extended comfort and feature a reinforced design for sweat and water resistance. Long hours of training? Bring it! Spend less time worrying about charging and more time charging forward. Up to 9 hours. Power play. Each earbud has up to 9 hours of listening time, so you can keep your music going. Charge up to 5 equals 1.5 minutes hours. Listen with a friend. With audio sharing, you can pair 2 sets of Beats headphones or AirPods to one iPhone and enjoy the same song, podcast, or movie along with a friend. Made for movement. Adjustable, secure fit ear hooks stay in place with multiple ear tip options, and are made to move with you, no matter where you go. Dual audio controls. Each earbud has full volume and track controls, so you don't need your device to adjust your music. Power through with voice control. Simply say, "Hey Siri," for voice-activated assistance without having to reach for your iPhone. Autoplay, pause. Optical sensors and motion accelerometers work together to detect when the earbuds are in your ear to jumpstart your workouts as soon as you're ready to go. Pairing Powerbeats Pro. iOS. With earphones seated in the case and lid open, hold near unlocked iPhone with Bluetooth on and follow on-screen instructions. Android. Visit the Google Play Store to download the Beats app. Once the app is installed, open case and hold near Android device. Pairing to additional devices. With earphones seated in the case and lid open, press the system button until the LED blinks white. Then choose Powerbeats Pro in the Bluetooth menu. Specifications. Brand: Beats. Color: black. Connectivity technology: Bluetooth, NFC. Model name: Powerbeats Pro. Form factor: in-ear headphone chip. Apple H1 chip. Android TM compatible. Yes. Built-in mic and controls. Yes. Sound output. Mode stereo. Audio controls. Answer, end, next. Previous track, play. Pause, voice assistant, volume. Controls volume. Answer, end, play. Pause, next. Previous track, voice assistant. Package includes 1X charging cable, 1X charging case, Powerbeats Pro hands-free,